everyone, my name is Divina Grace L. Aranas. In this video, we'll create a simple two-player battle arena game in VBNet. The game will be turn-based where you, the player, face off against a computer-controlled opponent. The objective is to reduce your opponent's hit points or HP to 0. So, let's start by opening the VBNet. So, ito po is naka-open na po yung VBNet ko, then naka-create na ako ng code. So, here it is. I-explain ko na lang kung i-demonstrate ko na lang kung paano siya magfa-function by lines. Okay. So, step 1. Dito tayo sa dim player HP or HP meanings hit points as integer. We started by setting the initial hit points for both the player and CPU to 100. So, ito po yung 100. Nilagyan na natin siya na hit points. Both of them naaabot ng 100. So, next is the game loop. Ito po yung game loop, do loop. So, we use a do loop to keep the game running until one player's HP reaches 0 or below. So, dito tayo ito yung console written player. So, it means player's turn. Ito yung player's turn. So, here we prompt the player to attack by pressing enter. We calculate random damage between 10 and 20 for the player's attack. And then, update CPU's HP. So, ito, we display the damage dealt by the player and subtract it from the CPU's HP. Yan. Console rate line, you dealt player damage to the CPU. Yan. Then, CPU's turn. Dito tayo. Ito na yung CPU's turn. Kagaya pa rin ng player's turn. So, same lang din sila. We'll just change the variable to CPU's turn. So, we inform the player that it's CPU's turn to attack. We calculate random damage between 10 and 20 for the CPU's attack. So, ito sa update player's HP. So, dito sa akin is, nilagyan ko ng game over, the CPU defeated you. So, ito pa rin yung makikita, same pa din sila, dealt pa rin gamit. We display the damage dealt by CPU and subtract it from the player's HP. Yan pa. So, dito na tayo sa end of the game, which is ito yung player HP, then console rate line, game over, the CPU defeated you. So, we check if either the player or CPU's HP has reached 0 or below. If so, we display the appropriate message and exit the game loop. So, ayan. And then, ito yung last. Thank you for playing. After this, i-run po natin siya. So, ayan. After you run this code, you've created a simple two-player battle arena console game in VBNet. You can customize it further and add more features to make it even more exciting. So, that's it for today. This is my code battle arena game. I just explained. And thank you for watching.